In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Volume Master extension for Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and ready to use. This extension works inside Chrome, so everything starts there. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the address bar or by searching for it in Google. When the store page opens, use the search bar to look for Volume Master. Type in the word volume, and then find the Volume Master extension in the search results. After you find the extension, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome may show a confirmation window asking if you want to add the extension. If that appears, approve it to continue the installation. The browser will then download and install the extension for you. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once it is installed, the extension will be available from the Extensions area in Chrome. Next, click the Extensions icon near the top right corner of the browser. This icon usually looks like a small puzzle piece. When the menu opens, find the volume extension you just downloaded and select it. Inside the extension, you will see the volume bar. Click the volume bar and adjust it to the level you want. This is the main control you will use. As a helpful tip, adjust the volume gradually so the sound stays comfortable and clear. That covers everything you need to know.